morning. It is 8:33. We have survived our first night on the road here. Rest stop wasn't too bad. Expected the highway sounds with trucks and things. It wasn't too bad, but someone was out here bumping their radio all morning. I don't know what's up with people. Just bumping their bass. That was a little annoying. It started around 6 a.m., but other than that, it's a nice little place to stop. Free. We don't actually check into Big Bend Station, which is a campground outside of Big Bend, until tomorrow. So I was looking online what's on the way. About 3 hours from here is a sand dune national park. Forgot the name of it, but I'll probably end up booking that real quick, heading out there. And then we will just have a short 3 hour something drive today, explore some dunes, and then 3 hours to our main location tomorrow. Well, did you have good sleep? Huh? Did you have good sleep? Y'all ready? Yep. Alright, the surprise, since you guys are impatient, can't wait. We're going to a sand dune state park, and they have sand dune sledding.
Oh, that's fun.
Okay.
And you sled down the sand dunes. Now, the annoyance part is I know that you're like Anakin and you don't like sand.
Sand is my least favorite thing besides stickiness.
But if you're sledding on it, it should be pretty cool, right?
It won't be sticking to you as much if you're
Yeah, it's not like a beach.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I think these are all cotton fields out here. I'm gonna see if I can get a video of that. Zoom in 2 times.
And that is what I call a fluffy plant.
Yeah, you getting my crazy hair right now?
I have an alfalfa going on. It's gonna be so many. Okay, nope, it's still there.
Gosh, if you have alfalfa, what do I have?
You have Jim.
No, it just flew right by us. Like right over us, and it flew by. Look, Kayla. Kayla, get that, quick. Good.
I'm gonna go too. I'm going to go. Make sure Bumble doesn't go in my seat.
Our partners somewhere in Texas out here. Oh, broken down malls, whatever you want to say. Hello there, sir. Whatever.
And 2119 reiterates this but adds another dimension.
Ooh, that
to
was a
it.
cool
It
shot.
says, it is better to live in a desert land than with a quarrelsome and fretful woman.
That's a cool one.
Look at that big old thing.
That is.
That's a big mama right there. How many legs does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
That water's going nowhere.
8, 9, 10. Wow.
Hey, look at that train.
That's really cool.
We gotta go in and get the permit. Oh, cool. And it's just straight pull right through.
Here we are. Campsite number 1. Yep, number 1. So fun. Leapfrog. Hey, Bundy girl. Probably. Oh, that's a butt. Bundy girl. Hi.
I'm gonna push you, Daddy.
Alright.
3, 2, 1. You ready?
I guess so. I don't know.
3, 2, 1.
I feel like I need to hold
You do.
You do.
You do, Daddy. You do, Daddy.
Oh! No!
Too steep. Yeah, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
You're such a nerd.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I don't want anyone to push me, okay?
I'm pushing you.
No, no pushing.
Woo! Look at you. Kale's got it figured out. How was that, Kale?
Good. I got him. I got him. So warm.
I went backwards. I
You guys make me look like I just suck.
You made it to where I was.
You always want to turn me around. What am I doing wrong?
You're doing everything right. It's just.
gotta balance it.
You're still beating me, boy. I didn't fall that time, though. I didn't go upside down.
Cash is still going. I'd say that was a tie.
Nice in the shade.
It's getting very clear. I'm still gonna beat you guys.
Kale.
I'm still leading you.
Kale's definitely the oh. Kale got tipped.
Nope, nope.
Cash, I'm gonna get you.
Two.
Oh dang, that one's fast.
How much is that? 200?
Yep.
Oh.
Hey, you.
Who wants my bread? Game mode.
Game mode. Yeah, game mode.
Game mode.
This is for the family only. You understand?
Game mode.
Mom's not gonna like it. She says,
Game mode.
wouldn't you care to dance? Oh, your face.
Looks like that isn't enough.
Bring it. Get right here, Cash, coming up.
It's a cash monster. What?
Let's go, guys. Guys, I thought we had to go quick.
Nice.
One of those things where you really have to look into.
This is actually like right here.
Well, I say it's been a successful day of sledding in the sand dunes at Monahan State Park. We got the camper all set up. We did some sledding, some hiking, a lot of photography stuff. Sun went down pretty quick. Went to get some food. We're trying out some place called Bush's Chicken. Go back and chill at the campsite. What do you guys think? How was your day so far? Dang, did you guys hear that sand? Currently We're having a windstorm here. Woo! That wind is cold, the sand is cold. This is great. We need to go. It's just picking up more and more. I guess we'll see how wind resistant the camper is. Crazy. What do you guys think of your chicken?
It's
salty.
I love it.
You love it?
Salty.
It's not bad.
It's good. I mean, it's
How's it compared to Charlie's?
Charlie's, compared to Charlie's, there's chicken.
I think the tenders are pretty good. The gravy's good.
I don't know what to say.